suspended and you're facing that readmission process, there's kind of 4 things to keep in mind. First, you will apply for readmission to UNC, but this is different than that first original full application. Your readmission appeal comes through my office and goes to our academic review committee. And we definitely recommend that once you're suspended, you go and take 12 credits at another college, maybe Ames, maybe Front Range, maybe a community college near your home, wherever you end up going. Take 12 credits and earn at least a 2.0, and even better if you can earn that target GPA that you would need once you return to UNC. Keep in mind, transfer credits do not impact your GPA. Taking classes elsewhere are just going to, 1, keep you progressing towards your degree, and 2, will show the academic review committee that you have figured out kind of your study strategies, your classroom habits, your routines, and really demonstrate that you can and will be successful when you come back to the Bear community. Now, you don't have to take those credits, but you do have to explain and kind of demonstrate and persuade the academic review committee that you're ready to return to UNC. You're going to do that by submitting your appeal with a letter. Right, and this letter is going to ask very similar things to what you might have done in your suspension appeal. But basically, in your readmission letter, you will explain what happened, what has changed, and what your plan is once you come back to UNC. And finally, you are eligible for readmission after 1 full semester has passed since you were suspended. Again, we'll talk a lot more about this if you have to cross that bridge at our special suspension info sessions. If you are going through academic probation because your first semesters just weren't going so well and the transition to college was a little tough, you might think about our Fresh Start programs. You don't need to have been suspended to use Fresh Start. Now, the first type of Fresh Start is for freshmen, and this really is you've never taken college credits until you came here, and it just didn't go very well. And so to be eligible, you need to have earned fewer than 30 credits towards graduation, and that's total credits, including anything you might have brought in as a transfer to us. So if you're getting close to that line and your target GPA to get back to good standing is a little bit steep, talk to your advisor about Fresh Start. Now, if you're eligible for that Fresh Start freshman program, you will need to take 24 transferable credits somewhere else and earn at least a 2.5. Now, once you finish those requirements, 2.5 GPA on at least 24 transferable credits, then you can apply for Fresh Start Freshman. And if you're accepted into the program, once you come back to UNC, you'll need to take 12 credits here with us, earn a 2.5 on the semester here, and then we are going to take all of the C- and lower grades from your transcript out of your GPA calculation as well as out of your graduation total. So they will stay on your transcript, but they aren't counting for anything, which gives you a true fresh start. Now, if you think you're going to take more time off, at least 3 years from UNC, you would be eligible for our Fresh Start returning, which is a similar gig. The C- and lower grades will be removed from your GPA calculation as well as your graduation counts, and you just need to fill out the paperwork after being gone for 3 full years. Again, you don't have to have been suspended to take advantage of these, though if you are suspended, these will guarantee readmission if you qualify for the programs. So just think about it, talk about them with your advisor if you think that could benefit you.